Today I'm gonna show you how you can use Microsoft Word in Android phone. On the first tab, let's open the Play Store and look for the Microsoft Word Edit Documents app. Install it and open. As you can see, now you have the Word app, so just log in again or just sign in later and skip or just start your free trial. As you can see, now you have the application, so you can tap on the plus to choose the document that you want to open from your device. To check the files, click on the select a different location and choose this device. Now select go to settings and allow a permission to the files. Then go back and now you can choose something from your storage or the download. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.